Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Call of Duty Warzone. While trying to launch the game, you got an error menu missing DLC local. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. There are two basic simple fixes to resolve this issue. So first one is, head over to your Microsoft Store. In the left pane, click on the option Library. Now in the Library option, you need to update the gaming service of the Xbox, or simply click on the option Update All to update all the Microsoft Library apps, and this will fix out the issue. If this failed to work out, in next step, the issue of missing DLC local is occurred because the latest version of the Black Ops 6 has now released, and it is mandatory to install the Black Ops 6 while trying to play Warzone. So to do so, if you are using Xbox, launch the game, click on this gear icon, and then over here you will find the option of Black Ops 6. Make sure you choose both the options, multiplayer as well as campaign, and then click on the option Apply Changes. This will go ahead and install the multiplayer Black Ops 6 and in turn help you fix out the issue. If you are using battle loaded version, simply click on the option Install, or if you have already installed the game, click on the option Manage, then click on the Continue option. From here you will find the option of again Black Ops 6. Expand it and make sure you select all two options, campaign as well as multiplayer. After selecting both the options, click on the option Start Install or choose the option Update. This will go ahead and update your Call of Duty, install Black Ops 6 multiplayer as well as campaign version, and in turn completely fix out the issue of missing DLC local. Now if none of the method fails, here I have created a Discord group to resolve all your issues. Go ahead, join my Discord group, whose link is given in the description of this video. Share any concern related to gaming, your mobile support, your Windows support, and I will be happy to assist you in every way. So make sure to join my Discord server to get instant replies and instant support for any your gaming or Windows need. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.